This is my home security shotgun, made by SAR Arms. It's the SARSASP shotgun. This is a 12 gauge semi-automatic special purpose shotgun. You know, it shoots great. It's an awesome shotgun. It weighs 6 pounds, has an 18.5-inch barrel. Synthetic pistol grip stock. Rubberized grips. Cross bolt safety. Recoil pad here. I put an ammo sleeve which I have double-aught buck law enforcement rounds right there. Picatinny rail with a red dot. Not stock, it does come stock with the ghost ring sights though. Bolt release. Synthetic forend. I put on a tactical light with 4 modes. Up front is a fiber optic front sight. And threaded choke ported with a door breacher. And it's Spinelli threads from what I've heard. And for a mag extension, if you want to put a mag tube on there, it's a Remington 870 is what fits on there. Now it shoots 2 3/4 rounds and also 3-inch rounds. It will fit 5+1 with the 2 3/4 rounds and 4+1 for the 3-inch. It has a gas piston in this as well that's reversible for heavy and light loads for recoil. Pull the bolt back for you guys. Now, reviews and comments that I've seen on this is that this doesn't stay back. It does indeed stay back. But after the first initiation and you release it, it won't stay back now. You just load your ammo here. So watch out for that. People have questions on it. It does on the first initiation stay back. I recommend this shotgun. Looks great, shoots great, overall great. I've only put 70 to 80 rounds through it. But when you put 100 to 200 rounds through it, that's when it's going to be broken in. And that's what I've heard for cycling. The cycling issues that I've had is with these target loads. They don't cycle very well. But as I'm shooting more rounds through it, it's breaking in a lot better, and I've noticed it's not jamming up as much. Just with those 1 loads right there. But buckshot, double-aught buck, slugs, pheasant shot, turkey shot, all those work good. Just these target loads don't. Now SARSASP supplies these to the 2nd largest military, NATO. And they are battle tested, combat proven, supplied to military and law enforcement. Any questions, just let me know. I'm going to make some more videos on this as well for cleaning it and shooting it. Thank you, everybody. Enjoy the rest of the vids.